Yeah, hi guys, my name's Chadlin April, all the way from the east, and this is my Polo 6R GTI. Her name's Megan. Basically, the main thing that you can see is the color change. She was previously red, she's now Kingfisher green. She was previously a race car, so she does have quite a bit of performance upgrades, like a forged cooler, mare, it's got stage 2 revo, it's got DSG flash. So yeah, you basically get the gist. And then I moved to Cape Town a while back. I stayed there for about 2 years, and that's when I got into the stance scene. Was mingling with guys from Low Company, Cape Stance, and that basically got me interested in the stance scene. And this is where the Polo's at now. It's basically a full-on show car that used to be a daily. Basically now it's fitted with E-Level from AccuAir. It's fitted with airlift bags done by Fat Strat Projects. You may know him as Hakeem. And then it's got a lot of small details to give it that show look. Car basically parks in a garage until it's show day instead of being a daily now. She's got a lot of small upgrades like a sound install, full kicker install, wiring everything, split system, woofers. So it's little things that count. She's sitting on a set of 17-inch OZ wheels. They are 9J all round. The bolts were imported from SSR hardware, and the lips from the UK from a guy by the name of Dan from Wheel Unique. Basically the interior has also been changed up fully. She's running Jag leather with a set of course OPC Recaros. The backs are carbon fiber just to tie in with the rest of the carbon fiber in the car. Outside you'll see that there's a WRC bumper, it's an OEM bumper. You'll see that the headlights have been changed to the 6C 2017 model headlights. The rear taillights have been painted candy red just to give it a clean Euro look. And yeah, that's basically Megan. She's a crowd pleaser.